Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be making my hair loose Bob Marley. This is the main Bob Marley, not the tight one, loose Bob Marley. Yeah, so I'm going to be using this product, an inspection product. I'm using just one big one like that. It's 3 in it. So I've already washed my hair. I've already washed and moisturized it, but I normally have a very dry hair. So this hair now, I'm trying to transition from permed hair to natural hair. Yes, so I've not retouched my hair for a while now, so because I'm transitioning, hence the dense roots. So I opted for this style because of its versatile styling. You can style it in so many ways, more than 10 ways of styling it, and that's what caught my fancy. Plus its fluffy nature, because it's loose, the braids are very soft. You can literally lie on them, as in it's very comfy. So that's the reason why I opted for the style, because I'm going to be carrying it for a while. And also I have like 5 ways of styling it. At the end of the video I attached some 5 ways of styling it. I would have made it up to 10, but because of I don't want the video to be too long, most of us don't like long videos, so that's why I made it that way. And I'm dividing this hair without any reflective mirror, hence the crooked line sometimes, but I care less, because most times I pack the hair, I don't leave it straight that way. So I ordered for a reflective mirror. The mirror you can technically see all sides of your head while making, but it didn't come before the hairdo. That's why I did it like that. But nevertheless, the main point here is just to see how it goes. Okay, how to do it by yourself, not the crookedness. And the crooked lines can be straightened from the reflective mirror, which I've already gotten. The next time, my next hairdo is going to be as straight as anything. So let me give you little gist on how I ended up making this hair. I had an appointment, hospital appointment, so I was just like, what do I do? How do I go about it? My hair was very rough. I can't just comb it. As you can see, since I'm transitioning, the head is not smooth at all. So I said, let me just hold it with something, let me just hold it. So that's how the hair came to be. So at making it, I didn't know I had an appointment with a customer. She has booked for like a month and 2 weeks ago. The only thing I saw from her was like, oh, hi, blessing, I'm going to be 5 minutes late. I was shocked to my bones. I was like, what do I do now? How do I go about it? How do I, run this package now? Because I just had 3 hours to my appointment, and I was just rushing to finish off my hair. That's how I stood up for her. She came in. I just said a little prayer in my heart. I said, God, please help me. Give me the strength that I've never had before. I already told this story in the video where I made the customer's hair, where I was making her hair. I told the story, so I'm just repeating it because of the so much stress that was in it. I was literally worn out because I was just rushing, going beyond my limits, and thank God I made it. So that's me. Sorry to bore you with this long story. I'll just allow you to enjoy your video, and I'll see you later at the end. Thank you.
I could be the one you talk to when you're feeling down. I could be the one you run to when the moon hits the ground. I can say what I'm feeling, but the words just don't come out. If you ever feel lonely, girl, just know I'll come around. 'Cause I've traveled so far just to get to where you are. And I know that you're broken, but that makes you who you are. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. I know what you're feeling, I see that look in your eyes. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. 'Cause what I've been dreaming is giving you my paradise. Through the rough parts of it all, holding your hand, fighting for the things that we want. Be the rock you lean on, with you by my side. Baby, when we fall, together we'll rise. 'Cause I've traveled so far just to get to where you are. And I know that you're broken, but that makes you who you are. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. I know what you're feeling, I see that look in your eyes. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. 'Cause what I've been dreaming is giving you my paradise.
That you've been lonely makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know.